Hello there. In the previous video, I built this tiny open source pet robot called Despy. It can show emotions, weather forecast, time, etc. A lot of my subscribers built their own by following my tutorial. This is the second version of Despy and I named as Despy 2.0. Here I have changed the display to a color display, added a portal to update the credentials and other details easily. This is also open source. As you can see, we can change the color of the UI by double tapping and all other functions remain same. So in this video, let's see how I built this colorful deskbuddy pet robot from scratch. Let's get started with this video. Okay, first of all, the components. This is the 1.3-inch SPI IPS display, which is based on ST7789 driver and has a resolution of 240 by 240. Next is the XIAO ESP32 S3 board from Seeed Studio. This is a tiny powerful board with inbuilt battery charging circuit. This will help to save space and time. Then we need a TTP223 touch switch, a on-off switch, finally a 3.7 volt rechargeable battery. First I placed the display, ESP32 and touch switch on a breadboard. After referring different circuit, I made this circuit. You can download this circuit diagram and shuffle. To code this, I am using Arduino IDE. I am using LOVI and GFX library to display the details and emotions on the screen. Just like previously, I am using the Open Weather Map API for fetching the weather forecast and time. We don't want to hardcode the credentials and other details. I have added the web portal HTML here. Now we can upload the code directly to XIAO ESP32 by selecting the board and port. After uploading, you can see the working. Now to enclose everything and giving a proper look, I decided to make an enclosure. So I measured the dimensions of each component and started designing the enclosure in Tinkercad. After some iterations and designing, I got this design. The enclosure has two parts, front and back. I used my Bamboo Lab A1 3D printer to print the model. I printed the enclosure in silver color PLA. Now to enclose everything, first I removed the header pins from XIAO ESP32, display and touch switch. You can skip this because all components comes without soldering. Then I connected each and every components together by following the circuit diagram. I connected the battery with the switch and connected the battery to the input. After verifying again, I placed all components one by one in the enclosure. The Wi-Fi antenna is very important. Without that, XIAO can receive Wi-Fi signals. Finally, close the backup and finish the assembly. This is the final look of Despy 2.0. And after turning on the first time, the deskbuddy goes to config mode. Then the board will create a hotspot. First you connect to that and go to this IP address. Then we can update the details like Wi-Fi credentials, city, country code, time zone and Open Weather Map API key. To get the API key, go to openweathermap.org, then log in with your email. Then go to My API Keys, then name the API key and generate. Then you can see the API key. We can paste this key in the portal, then we can save and reboot. Now the bot automatically connects to the Wi-Fi network and fetch details. If the Wi-Fi not available, it will again goes to config mode. Currently it has two emotions only. You can add more emotions and functions. I am releasing this also as an open source project. That is, all files can be downloaded from my GitHub. So that's all about today. I hope you liked this video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. It's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.